So in the last video, I did an if statement. I'm just going to go over again the format. We've got if this is true, a question that I've asked, password equals ABC123, and then it does whatever is on the next level of indentation. So it'll do this line, and then it's finished with that level of indentation. So it stops doing that. If this wasn't true, it drops into the else statement here. And in this case, it does this line and this line. These hashtag comment lines don't do anything, and then it finishes there. I should just point out that once it's finished that if else statement, if I then put down here program finished, this is not affected by the if else. The if this is true does this, else does this, and then no matter which one it's done, it then carries on with this next line here. I'll just very quickly show you. So if I type in ABC123, ABC123, yep, correct password, program finished. And then if I just use the keyboard, incorrect password, program finished. So you can see how that finished either way. Anyway, so the point of this video is to do something a little bit the same, but very slightly different. We're going to use numbers. So I'm going to ask the user for their age. So user age equals input. Now you remember, if it's a number, I need to say int and then the input statement, because the input is always going to be text. What is your age in years? Your age in years. I'll do. And they're going to type something in there. And then I can say if age, I'm going to say is greater than 17. I'm going to say it's not age, it's user age, isn't it? Notice how the underlining has helped me to spot that error there. Cool. If user age, first level of indentation, is greater than 17, we're going to say print you are old enough to vote, which is true because you're at least 18. Greater than 17 is 18 or more. Else, print you are not yet old enough to vote. Cool. Got that? So instead of in the last video having the equals, and this double equals is how you do a comparison here, we're using a greater than. I could equally have done greater than or equal to 18. Would work exactly the same. Okay, so they have exactly the same effect, saying greater than 17 or greater than or equal to 18.